Welcome, sweet human, seeker of truth and legacy builder. Today we are diving deep into the idea of leaving a lasting legacy, but with a twist. We are approaching it from a non-dual perspective. Buckle up, because this might challenge everything you thought you knew about making your mark on the world. Tip number 1. Recognize the illusion of separation. The very idea of leaving a personal legacy stems from the illusion of separation. In non-duality, there is no separate self to leave a legacy. We are all interconnected expressions of the same universal consciousness. Tip number 2. Embrace impermanence. Everything changes, including legacies. Instead of trying to create something permanent, embrace the flow of existence. Your actions ripple through the fabric of reality, whether you intend them to or not. Tip number 3. Act without attachment. Perform actions without being attached to their outcomes. When you let go of the need for recognition or lasting impact, your actions become the pure expression of your true nature. Tip number 4. Cultivate presence. The most profound legacy you can leave is the quality of your presence in each moment. By being fully present, you influence the world in ways beyond measure. Tip number 5. Recognize your true nature. Understand that your essence is already complete and perfect. Your legacy isn't about adding something to yourself, but uncovering and expressing what's already there. Tip number 6. Serve without discrimination. In non-duality, there is no distinction between self and other. Serve all beings as expressions of the same consciousness, without preference or judgment. Tip number 7. Transcend personal achievement. Instead of focusing on personal achievements, align your actions with the greater good of all. Your legacy becomes the positive impact on the collective consciousness. Tip number 8. Cultivate wisdom and compassion. Develop wisdom to see beyond appearances and compassion to act from a place of universal love. These qualities naturally create a ripple effect in the world. Tip number 9. Let go of the concept of time. In the non-dual view, time is an illusion. Your legacy isn't about the future. It's about the timeless now. How you show up in this moment is your true legacy. Tip number 10. Recognize the legacy of being. Simply by being, you are already leaving a legacy. Every breath, every thought, every action is an expression of the universe experiencing itself through you. Remember, from a non-dual perspective, you don't need to leave a legacy. You are the legacy. The universe is constantly expressing itself through you in each moment. By recognizing this truth and living it, you are already making the most profound impact possible. Well, if you found this perspective intriguing, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of reality. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep being the unique expression of consciousness that you are. Om, peace, peace, peace.